What's up, tanker fans? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be hunting down the Halloween bass. I might not get them today, but I will keep trying until I catch this thing. There's been two other people that have caught this thing. I'll put the pictures you see right here. Look at how cool that thing is. So I'm going to attempt to catch this fish. Hopefully I catch it today, and it's gonna be amazing. It fits with the holidays. As you can see, just right behind me is the area. There's that pier back there, and there's a dock, there's a, what the hell is that thing called? Pipey drainy thing, I don't know. It's back there, and the bass is supposedly living under that. So I'm gonna try. I guess I'm gonna start off with a jig. That's gonna be the first thing I'm gonna try. I'm gonna sneak up very carefully, put it in there, and see if I catch it. But without further ado, let's start attempting. Alright, I'm gonna start the video back here because I don't want to be loud and noisy up where the fish is. So make sure to like the video to wish me good luck on my stealthiness so I can sneak up and go catch him hopefully. But yeah, let's get up there. You know, I'm starting to wonder, on that side over there, it looks like there's actually a trail going up to the bank. So maybe I'll hike around this thing and see if I can get over there. Oh, shortcut right here. I didn't even notice this before. Wildlife observation platform. Wow, look at how beautiful it is. This is definitely nifty. Yes! Oh. Oh, nice. Whew. That was a nice thick fish that I was looking for today, man. Let's weigh him. Let's test out my new scale. 2.57 pounds. So a little over 2.5 pounds. That's a nice fish. A little over 2.5 pounder. Nice, and ate the jig there. Yeah, he's a little, well, he's a good length, but he's quite fat for his length. So yeah, and that was not the Halloween fish, so I'm gonna keep fishing, but definitely a cool way to end the day. There he goes. Alright guys, that was pretty cool how I caught that bass at the end there. Was hoping to catch something, and I definitely did. It was nice. I weighed my first fish. It was a little over 2.5 pounds. So I'd say a good fish to weigh for your first fish. The reason I'm using the light right now is because I fish till it's too dark for you to see me, so that was kind of my dedication. So if you could subscribe to the video, like it, and share, that's the best way you can support me, other than my merch, which you can check out. There's the link in the description, and hopefully by the next video I can be wearing it and you could see just how cool that is. So I hope you enjoyed this video of me catching that fish and kind of just having a good old hike and adventure today. And I'll see you on the next episode of Tankers Outdoors. Hey, what's up, Tanker fans? We're back here, day 2 of trying to catch the Halloween bass. I'm with here a very special friend. His name is Max. Yeah.
How's it going?
Max, what is your prediction of that I'm gonna catch this bass? Do you think it's there?
I think we have a good shot at it, you know. The weather was pretty good today. It's been a little windy this morning, but now it's kind of died down. The sun's kind of setting right now. We got some cloud cover going over, so it's definitely prime time to kind of try and slay one of these boys.
All right, boys, let's get into it. Here's the bass. Let's go. GoPro, catch me a fish. Let's try it. Oh! Is that you?
Yeah, he's missing it.
Get it, buddy. It's okay to hook set on weeds, as long as you thought it was a fish. Let me get the spinner bait. Yo.
Got him.
It's a pike.
That's what it was.
Oh, he got off.
We made one cast and it wasn't far at all. Out to the left. And he freaking turned right here. And it's huge. Is that your jig on that one?
Yeah.
Big.
Oh, no way. Oh, I caught him. Or something like him. Oh my god. This thing's fucking huge. I'm gonna have to bleep that out. Oh my god. Jeez. Alright, I got the hook out. It's a beast of a fish. Let's weigh him and then put him back in. Oop. There we go. 2.24 pounds. All right, not a bad, little over 2 pounds. Not a bad fish. Nothing? I caught a bass under the pipe, but it wasn't the Halloween bass. It was a 224.
I saw a bunch of fish like blowing up like back there, so I trekked through the woods and I got there and it started raining. It all turned off.
This circles all the way around, or do you just want to go back and
Let's just go back. This rain ain't helping.
Oh, I get stuck in that tree real bad. Why is it stuck so bad? Get out of the tree. No. Damn it. Alright, I'm kinda pissed now. My peanut butter and jelly jig is in that tree over there. Way up there. Alright guys, off the water there. So, what happened there is I caught the fish. It was under the dock, but that wasn't the Halloween bass. Like I said before, not sure if I'll ever catch the Halloween bass, but I might try again. For now though, this is the end of the video. There could be another video on trying to catch the Halloween bass if I do come back and try to catch it. But that's about it for now. Max also caught a fish. Tell us about how you caught that, Max.
So I was using a, what do they call these things? Can't think of the name of it.
Buzzbait?
Yeah, buzzbait. Using a buzzbait, Walmart special, and I was just cranking it. There was a bunch of rocks on the water, and then there was a weed line. So I was just cranking it. I was actually cranking it super fast just to get it in, and all of a sudden I just saw in the water a big flash hit it, and boom, 2-pounder smacked it.
So if you guys enjoyed some cool fish catching, hiking around, and finding bass in these woods like that, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and if you liked my merch you've seen, go check that out. The link is in the description, and see you on the next episode of Tankers Outdoors. Bye everyone.